say that was baby jail?
Yeah, bro. We was in there making dice out of soap, making saints, trading snacks.
I appreciate it. So now, are you glad that you out of school though, or do you miss school?
I mean, like, I don't really miss it, but like, it's like, I don't know. It's like, I'd rather not be in school, but it's like, you just got something to do.
But what you think about the people like, or like the friends that you had? Are you still cool with a lot of them?
I mean, like, I ain't even had no friends like that.
You're
Before I
right.
came in. There's like people like, I guess some people would consider me as they friend. If I don't talk to you, and you text me first, then we not friends.
What about any of the old hoes, man? You know what I'm saying?
I came back home now. Almost all of the girls I used to talk to got boyfriends.
They got boyfriends. Damn. Well, there's hella hoes out here though.
Somebody-
Boy done graduated, man. You done let your blooms glow. Our school family, man. He back.
Back in there.
Boy, what is this right here? We ain't even started yet. What is this right here? Are you serious? That's you? You came in off the real. You been doing lines of pre-workout already?
Yeah, you already know what time it is. I had to get pumped up.
There you go.
Lit. It's my first dry school back at the crib.
Boy got on a Hooter shirt, boy. Hey, that's that Beyond Lit, boy. I thought you know. He back. Yes, sir. Big scoop, not the little scoop. Gummy worm, sour gummy worm, that shit is terrible. My boy still got the pre on his mouth, man. What you doing, man?
Do it.
You done fell off,
I need gloves.
dropping mints and shit. You done fell off, bro.
I gotta relearn.
You say you got weak.
I gotta relearn it, bro. That swing. Go. Pull us ain't no joke, boy.
There you go. He said he got a sit-up game for you, boy.
Said what?
Come on, let's get it. I thought you wanted a challenge, bro. So what I gotta do, 20 sit-ups? Okay.
Go all the way up them half reps. Trying to cheat, put on undercut your chest.
You gotta go lower than that, bro. Come on now. Yeah, that's a dip. Yes, sir. Let's go. I think you've been doing too many stamina exercises like running and all that, bro. You gotta start back strength training.
You gotta get back on the weight. I was focused on the stamina.
Yeah, you gotta get back.
My stamina was trash. When I got there, it took me 9 minutes and 25 seconds to run a mile. And the fat kids was beating me, so I was like, hell no. I gotta focus on the run.
So what's your fastest time ever in the mile run?
6:53.
6:53 in a mile?
Yeah.
Okay. Let it go. go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Other hand, let's go. You feel that? Let's go. Shaking, boy. You feel that shit. He's shaking, boy. Let's go. You want that back done. Let's go. Let's go, kid. Push through that shit. Let's go. Come on.
Does not define you. Some of you might be here because of life threw you challenges your way. Maybe you made mistakes, struggled with school, or felt like the odds were stacked against you. But let me tell you something. Your past is just a chapter. I want to say that again. It is just a chapter, not the whole book. Steve Jobs, the man who created Apple, was once fired from his own company. J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter, was rejected by 12 publishers before one finally gave her a chance. But they didn't let failure define them. They used it as fuel for success. Whatever has happened today or has happened before today, it is behind you. It is behind you. What matters is what you do now.
Cadets receive high honors by averaging 80% or higher. We call this distinction the Honors Club. Please come forward as I call your name. Cadet Corporal Remington Davis. Cadet Private First Class Kamari Ellison. Cadet Corporal Riley Fletcher. Cadet Sergeant Marcus Gisentana. Cadet Sergeant Michael Johnson. Cadet Corporal LaRon Nelson. Cadet Corporal Jason Perry Jr. Cadet Corporal Zanaja Spencer. Cadet Corporal Michaela Taplin. Cadet Sergeant Luke Wood. These cadets worked extremely hard during the academic phase of our program. Please give them another round of applause.
Cadet Kamari J.A. Ellison.
You ugly, all y'all ugly. Look, we back at it again. Y'all ugly. Look, this is big ugly. Look, everybody, all y'all. Look at Auntie over there. Did you record? What was you doing?
No, I didn't. Tammy did.
Okay.
Did what?
Recorded. Look, she been working out, y'all. We're gonna show y'all the progress.
In a little bit.
Hey, she went from big back to medium back.
Shut up.
Little freaky arms. Oh my gosh. They gonna hit the lunk alarm on you, man. Little freaky arms. Look at this shit. You ain't got it no more.
But I don't want to do that.
Let's go. Come on, let's work though.
It's not even, I don't even think this is working.
Let's work. Let's work. Let's go. That's all you got. Come on, freaky arms. Let's go, push. Lock in, man. Dry School family, man. He back, we doing this shit for real. Not for play. Lock in, stay tuned.